6, 5, 4, 0. Liftoff. We have a liftoff. Right on schedule. Roger. Clock is running. Liftoff on Icarus MXIX as we begin our journey to the moon. Tower cleared. Roger. We got a roll program. Roger, roll. Jet Lagswell reporting their roll and pitch program, which puts Icarus on a proper heading. Stand by for 1 Bravo. Mark, 1 Bravo. 1 Bravo. Icarus, Las Vegas, you're good at 1 minute. Roger, feeling good. We're through the region of maximum dynamic pressure now. Downrange 35 miles, 30 miles high. Standing by for the outboard engine cut down now. Icarus, we confirm outboard cutout. You are go for staging. Roger. Staging. And ignition. Icarus, Las Vegas. Thrust is go. All engines. You're looking good. At 2 minutes, downrange 530 miles, altitude 95 miles, velocity 17,358 feet per second. Icarus, just a short burn left now. Level sense arm. Expect second stage outboard cutoff at 2 plus 4, 5. Roger, Las Vegas. Also be advised the visual is go today. Roger that, Chad. I imagine you've got quite the view, and it's only going to get better. Velocity 25,254 feet per second. Downrange 1,400 miles now. And booster shutdown. Icarus, Las Vegas, we confirm booster shutdown and velocity at orbital insertion 25,568 feet per second. Good deal. Roger. Our insertion checklist is complete and we're all just up here admiring this view. Don't worry, we'll send a postcard and some snapshots.
Yeehaw! Look at that horizon. I gotta get me a picture of that.
That'd be just great, Connie. 1 minute to loss of signal to Nanareve. AOS at Carnarvon 3 plus 25, over.
Roger, Las Vegas. Expect LOS plus 1.
This is Icarus Control. We have LOS and are waiting for acquisition of signal. Then we are about 1 minute away from ignition on translunar injection.
The Icarus mission is currently in Earth orbit on its way to the moon. All systems are go for the next phase of the mission, the all-important translunar injection burn, or TLI for short. During the TLI burn, the S-4B rocket motor will fire, propelling Icarus out of Earth's orbit and onto the trajectory for their rendezvous with the moon.
Icarus, this is Las Vegas through RAF-4. Radio check.
Hey, you got that list fixed. I mean, Roger, Vegas. Icarus, reading you 5 by 5.
Roger, Icarus. Looking good for TLI ignition and everything is go. Ignition.
And leaving a trail of stardust behind us.
S4B thrust nominal. plus LEM extraction and docking. Once you're all hitched up, the folks down here would love to sneak a peek at what life's like up there for you all.
Hey, firm, Vegas. We'll break out the TV camera and be top-rated on prime time.
And as all of us slept last night, the crew aboard the Icarus moon mission was busy. They successfully retrieved and docked with their Condor lunar module. Now all we can do is wait as Icarus speeds thousands of miles through space toward their planned lunar orbit insertion and eventual lunar landing.
This is Blizzard Montrose Control at 57 hours 10 minutes. Icarus 183,997 nautical miles from Earth. We're starting to receive live television at our Goldstone receive station. Stand by. Here's a call from the crew.
Well, howdy, neighbor. Welcome aboard our cozy home away from home. Come on in. The lemonade's not great, but the view from the back porch can't be beat.
Hello, everyone down on the good Earth. Commander, I should say, TV cameraman, Chet Legs Wolf, coming to you from the Explorer Command Module Studios. I hope you all are enjoying this look around our little penthouse up here. And like Connie said, there's $1 million view. Icarus now 2,241 nautical miles from the moon. And so here we are, so many miles away from all of you, but with you still. All of us, and all of you, all staring in awe at the greatest of God's sculptures in our night sky. Icarus, Las Vegas. Be advised we expect LOS within 30 seconds, over. For now, we bid you good evening, friends, and we'll see you again next time. From the surface of that beautiful sculpture. This is Blizzard Montrose Control at 102 hours 12 minutes. The lunar module Condor, now in a 60-mile by 50,000-foot lunar orbit. And we have LOS, both Condor and Explorer, cloaked in darkness in the shadow of the moon. 11 minutes, 7 seconds from the planned start of the powered descent to the landing site at Mare Imbrium, the Sea of Rains. Standing by for acquisition of signal. Condor, Las Vegas, S-band comm check, over.
Well, it's about time you slowpokes showed up. We thought we were going to have to land without you.
We wouldn't really do that. Or at least we wouldn't tell you about it first. Anyways, RCS looks good. Altitude rate is right down the groove. Awaiting your go. Roger, you old sneak. You are go. You are go to continue powered descent.
Roger, Vegas. Engine arm descent. PG&S, we've got good lock on.
Good luck on Delta H is minus 2,900. Descent armed. 2, 1. Altitude 3,000. Ignition. Okay, all flight controllers. Go, no, go for landing. Retro, go. Vital, go. Guidance, go. Control, go. Telcom, go. GNC, we're go. Flight. Ecom, go. Surgeon, go. Condor, we're go for landing.
Roger, understand. Go for landing. Program alarm, 1201.
Copy, 1201. Roger, 1201 alarm. We're go. Same type. We're go. Altitude 2,000.
We got the Earth right out our front window.
Sure enough. Okay, no flags. RCS is go. DPS is go. Pressure is good. 1,400 feet. Still looking very good.
Not a bad looking area over there.
Okay.
Altitude velocity indicator light. 200 feet, down to 2.5, 19 forward.
Come on, baby.
5.5 down, 9 forward, 5%. Still looks good. 1 indicator light, 155.
60 seconds.
Lights on, down 2.5, 75 feet, it's looking good. 40 feet, we have some dust.
Easy.
20 feet, yep, down a half.
Almost.
Good. Contact light, and shut down.
Okay, engine stop. Mode control. Mode auto. Descent engine command override. Off. Engine arm off. We copy you down, Condor. Vegas, from the Sea of Rains. Condor has landed.
Yeehaw!
Roger, Condor. We copy you on the ground. You got a bunch of guys about to turn blue. We're breathing again.